I'm Matt Greenwood with Usen Associates, and today I'm going to introduce you to Lutron's latest product, the Sunnata Touch Dimmer. This innovative new product is the next generation in design and technology. Let's talk about the Sunnata's key benefits. The Sunnata is the first dimmer to feature a touch or swipe the light bar feature to set your light levels. You can also tap the dimmer to turn your lights on and off. The LED light bar also provides a soft glow in the dark, making it easy to find the switch. The Sunnata also comes equipped with LED+, formerly known as C.L technology, which provides superior dimming of dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. It supports loads up to 150 watts for dimmable LED and 600 watts for incandescent and halogens. The Sunnata works with existing wiring, and it doesn't require a neutral, making this dimmer perfect for retrofits and new applications. Installation is easy, only taking about 15 minutes from start to finish. Finally, the Sunnata's sleek design complements any decor. It is available now in white, ivory, light almond, and black. If you are interested in learning more, please contact Usen Associates with the information below or visit your local electrical distributor. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon.